this will be a bishunko. So that's it. Now, Mami, quickly, Mami started from Jamaica. Mami can say,
SOMPA Sports.
Omobano, they didn't expect this. Now, Jeffery, the game Omobo with France, they knew very well, so Omo a teamer. Omo ni exceptional players per se. France established. Most of the French players, the Omo free Lyon Football Club, no. Omo established. They have Hervé Renard, a very experienced coach. So they decided to be defending 4-1-4-1, making sure that they cut them. Until we are. But no, it was almost 23% possession. That's the most important. At the Omo qualified that game against France.
And only the Omo qualified.
Yes. Because if they had lost that game, that game no was so crucial for them.
And I mean enjoy a permission.
Yes. And it was an attack. Clara Mathieu, right winger.
Yes.
Axel Medri, left winger. They were bombing forward, and then Kadidioti, Diani, any ono the missing chance to be prepared. Ono and Alessoma. I mean, these were established strikers and players. They were playing so well, and you have Grace Guerrero as supportive from the midfield. And then Sandy Toletti. So it was an attack of 6 players against a solid defense. And Usha, Alison Swaba, the captain, and Chantel Swaba, the centre back pair for Jamaica, they've been excellent. They've been resolute. Almost a disciplined organ. Almost your body, they block it very well. And so Tina Matai as a left back has done very well. Denisha Blackwood. But Vian Simpson, DM no, or Boy Juma time. So they've had a team that have played so well. They are very compact and they have a leader in Khadija. So now they went through that. The second game against Panama, and then the captain again once. Carter, corner kick, Captain Alison Swaby, header, leadership by example, 4 points. Then the moment.
Sports.
6-time Ballon d'Or winner, Mata.
Yeah.
6-time Oba World Cup, Oba exit, and this is against Jamaica. They have to come to the party. Dembinya, or a young, brilliant player that is coming up, striker, Epatano. Adrinia on the left is a brilliant dribbler and a good winger. The problem is on Timmy and Shego. Borges on the right. And then you have Luana and then Sikorela in midfield pushing forward. Once again, it was the same thing they did yesterday. Almost for defense. So we shared 2 games against France and against a friend is saying Brazil now. They defended us and Coach Leonard Donaldson, Basso, were making sure say a team to be they defend resolutely, physically very aggressive. That's the coach. Now, Varas, my dressing room now after the match almost soon when they qualified. Almost soon and almost each other. The reason why I'm not me transfer footage. The reason why I'm here is I say we are saying Bibia won Chichimo. This team Sebe omo ya lasulala ne bae.
Omo ya lasulala.
Yeah.
Sesen.
So omo ankasa omo team no 2008 omo good team no.
Oh, okay.
National team omo good no. Then 2014 Sedela Male or a Bob Marley bar girl. Bob Marley bar girl. Now or you be a or you passionate about my football. Sedela nebi. Before I want the dressing room so before this interview. Until what she did say our fear and an bar skip. Ni baba katria ne say, "Mami, o mama en krata bi say yemfa abroad. Mami no kwahwe krata mu no federation no and am say o mo pesika to ba na mo fa mo ama bobo. Because that the national team was not playing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
SOMPA Sports.
And our shall say okay. And the bebwa. And before 2019 World Cup, 2016 Cromos a good team no biom.
2016 is almost a go.
And Bonyobi hard strike. Minim say enyum na already born on TV no so kwa. Hard strike. Enyuma ono Sedila no any brother Steve any Damien a boy. Minim say betimi atie track no bi kakra.
Me like how she bizzle, me like how she bustle. She now make no hustle in a mind tabernacle. Smooth and so sassy and she shape like a buckle. When I move every muscle. Strike hard!
Now, Enyom way as one of a come fast wa bo man on bobo no or two new way. Sika already the supporting man on bobo. And to see no obey like the godmother of the reggae girls. And since then, on any Papa Foundation, Bob and Rita Mali Foundation, a sponsor of the national team. And yet, F fa Kobo. I'm a national team no.
Kobo Papa Foundation on
any
and
and see, Omoba World Cup, they needed around $200,000. And the organizee, sir, that's the dressing room. Omudiasa organizee a training tour at Amsterdam and a Leicester Mom, paid for by the foundation. Now, ono ayu oba your friend is saying Reggae Girls Rise Up. Online on my Reggae Girls Rise Up. Reggae Girls Rise Up. No more solicit sky free. Obi a Jamaican near no be betting me boy bia and no omunya $50,000.
Wow.
Go fund page. Now there's a member of the team, Savannah Salum, a midfielder or bench on that starting. Ni mami Savannah Salum or bench on starting. Ni mami Philippa Bronner. Sandra Philippa Bronner. Ni mami. And so echo online. Echo making sure say or best solicit sika and sana omako World Cup no. In the World Cup at Jamaica way me Sedila Mali and Sandra Philip Bronner Savannah so mani mami or your midfielder or team no and omo kambo mu e raise sika niombedi technical coach say to omo kenyina all is coming from the funds raised by Sankrofui to fund them. Omo ba no federation no oni city capre federation no bi wa ma omo city the Jamaican Football Federation amamu capre amavamba and these two people and then Rita Malifon, that is why and now almost they cried because almost share how ni broma bre
said obesi abedu alo le kwai o wa fa so no ye ba federation no
ni appearance free oh na 2019 come come free the next appearance free
about the way no commenting level no was
say no until how many France bo mo come how many Brazil that is the point
now bana yama capra ba bo say dia anu adem pa
yes
bo mo France ni me bi na me say
yes
omo ma chance crowd
almost your bo am now right Reggae Girls Rise Up no omo for me national team managasa foundation say omo say we na my Jamaica no omo the sika ombenya kakra ko be tum say na be young girls omo Jamaica girls ombo pa o young girls omo no be bo omo e ma omo clubs de bi be call Europe and tie bia Kadija no akọ tranche Spencer goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer or Hospice what they are there Drew Spence more or no back training chain na or pay Hospice a mass ball no e kuno de omashim that's what they want to do on mine there zero a buying no near FND cap prekra Jamaica man
for be amom
on commitment
am commitment no was show pa dey omo ne peze
omo duane omo na bibia
ba omo pese omo ankwada na di omo chi ni bebre to omo san hyehyɛ ya
mo so say e meko abroche bibia nyame ama ekwan because o man no dey omo a hwinsi
tie ozo oyo ho na you ya
so that is the reason why they kill themselves and do what they are doing. You have no idea. Yes.
Story we are very nice.
Yes. That's now. I mean, call quickly. Minister time then today. I mean, call Mamelodi Sundowns. League no shall say Friday. We
South Africa.
Yeah, league no. Now Sundowns almost. Yes, almost. Coach, you know, say league no. League no is not a point. We're Jane 7 times to us up a Champions League. Because of that, of course. Or recruitment, solid recruitment. Almost on Adam for no Cassius Malula. Or Toronto FC. I'm on 1.5 million euros.
1.5
euros. About Toronto FC.
1.5 there is only a crown and give it me at all.
I feel now no Bachelor Kamasan. And see because of that, no say
also 1.5 is
oh Mami Kamasan. Andy Jale so or free hormone. Kennedy Mwene are correct time. So there is Onyango Wabe here to be number 2 for Ronwell Williams. Now, in spite of the players they have, I mean, some say Peter Shaule, Tembas, they're all there. But some shemukina, so almost shemukina. Now, yesha Jeffery Lesiba Unku say minim say video no ready. Lesiba Unku Sundowns, one of the new talented players or a defensive midfielder, very brilliant. Or some boys an attacking midfielder. Omatono. Now, Junior Mendieta of Stellenbosch, or also a very skillful, intelligent midfielder, or a Obia or some boy as a left winger. Now, Junior Mendieta I don't know which one it is Mendieta. Now, Junior Mendieta, meaning said, I'm really want to will not listen to what they've said. With the Musha video, then the Junior Mendieta so but now and now Mikhail said Tapelo Maseko $811,000 or your top player. Yes, that's Maseko. Yeah, Tapelo Maseko or your top player. Or your left winger, or can Bebo as a number 10, so that's except they are saying, or you're a good player. Because Omuton Cassius Malelo, no name Omukoto with Omato 1.5 million and Omakoto with 800 or your profit. He's a brilliant player. Or you're very quick, or you're electrifying on the left wing, or you're very sharp. The Orona Omakoto Abeshenem Senebea, or many the balance they've been New Miami, Cassius Malula and yo, so Romania Tapelo. Now Tapelo Tono Achrebibi. Super Sport, breeding ground for Sundance. Goalkeeper Roman Williams, I'm going to find Super Sport. Aubrey Mudiba Leba, I'm going to find Super Sport. Osha Tebo Mokwena, DM no match from Viviano. I'm going to find Super Sport. Sifo Mbule, ni partner, I'm going to find Super Sport. And they see, I say Super Sport training there, Koyana.
Now, quick, come on, foul.
Now, Ali, Mami, we with Ali Kakrebi. Ali Lofty, almost touch your goalkeeper, almost say champion no be demu kakra because of Shenawi Prayer. Esi our ZFC. Now I see Wabebi, Wabre. But the point is that Ali idea so a proper squad depth and then also transition. Mohamed Shenawi the uncle baby and the okay say Mustafa Shobe, Champions League work or die because we proud or no be number 2 this year. And Hamza Allah Hussein. Under 23 keeper no, all the best goalkeeper under 23 no, on a bed number 3. And Tebe say, oh you're young. Tebe say Oluma 33 years old baby. After ofi 28 year old from EMPP, we winning CAF champion in Miensa, I winning League 9 World Club Championship 2022. He was the one imposed.
Oh, okay.
Now we injury kakra. So finally he's moved on, and then Akolana opportunity like we don't do here. Oshe teams like I say, Akolabene from maybe a starless or under 20. That is how you until Akolano goalkeeper no swam penny for no. Yes, that is what you do. Yes, Sana, when you do that, it helps. Now, Reda Slim Abba, Reda Slim, $2 million from AS5 Morocco. Reda Slim, Reda Slim of AS5 Morocco, about $2 million. And no review or your top winger for Ali. This year, sure. Ali Ato Emma Mesha from Midland, $3 million. Omato way 2 and Khaled Abdul Fattah FC Smuha 500 a right back. Until Red
5.5 million.
Yes.
No, there are 2 players.
Red and the according to Bobo time. Already.
Also, on TV,